The Great War of 1836. On one side, the Yellow Army dug in amongst the top hats and the old boots as the fingers of war took them towards blacks in the east. The Silver Knight, the Lord of the Wheelbarrow, onto the south, the dog and the car, the motor car. On one side, the town of the three green houses and the sparkling appendage of Balgolazor, the volcano lord, while to the north, in the village of Kumquat, where the sacred iron is protected by lone Blackie against the marauding yellows from beyond the thimble, and on top of the mayonnaise, the tiny house of the chieftain, watching on as his wife is violated by the marauding blacks. It was a bitter war, and when the dead were denned, the terrible earthquake and flames from the sky, as the Lord took vengeance upon these plastic barbarians.